Hungarian Defence Forces take delivery of 2 H225M helicopters from Airbus. The European aerospace giant, Airbus Helicopters, delivered another 2 H225M helicopters to the Hungarian Defence Forces during the official ceremony, which took place on November 7th. As Defence Industry Europe reported earlier this year, Airbus handed over the first 2 H225Ms to the Hungarian Defence Forces. According to the Hungarian Ministry of Defence, another 2 helicopters are expected to be delivered in December. The whole contract for 18 helicopters is scheduled to be completed in 2024 when the final H225M will be delivered to the Hungarian Defence Forces. According to Airbus, the H225M helicopters selected by Hungary will be equipped with state-of-the-art communication capabilities and will be used for transport, combat search and rescue, and special operations missions. Its state-of-the-art avionics and 4-axis autopilot, exceptional range and payload capacities, combined with a large cabin designed to carry up to 28 troops and powerful air-to-ground and air-to-surface armament, as well as electronic warfare systems, allow the H225M to carry out the most demanding missions. The helicopter has an all-weather capability supported by its night vision goggle compatibility. In addition, the Hungarian version of the H225M helicopter is equipped with the H-Force weapon management system. These deliveries are carried out under the contract for 16 H225M multi-role helicopters, which the Hungarian Ministry of Defence signed with Airbus in 2018. As Hungary plans, the new H225 megaseconds will replace a fleet of post-Soviet Mi-17 helicopters in the Hungarian Defence Forces. Hungary is the second NATO member country after France, which operates H225M helicopters. The next user will be the Netherlands. In June of this year, the Dutch Ministry of Defence announced the acquisition of 14 H225M helicopters for the Special Operation Forces.